don't have to know CAD to start making things. We got our first CNC back in 2017 when they were still mildly affordable. Nick knew CAD. I didn't. And honestly, I still don't. I just wanted to make things, tables, signs, whatever it was, and I didn't want to have a degree in CAD first. I was talking to a guy at a lumber yard, and I mentioned that we had a CNC, and he was like, a CNC would be so cool. I'm just so curious about them. And it was a good day to run into us, because later that week I was selling him our old CNC. But he was just like us in the beginning. He was curious, but didn't really know where to start. Because sometimes you just want to make things. You can always learn the software later. Don't let that be the thing that keeps you from starting.